Here are the top 5 emerging technology trends you should watch for and make an attempt at in 2024, and possibly secure one of the jobs that will be created by these new technology trends. Starting the list of new tech trends with the talk of the town, Gen AI. 1. Generative AI. Generative AI, a cutting-edge technology, has revolutionized various industries by enabling machines to create content that resembles human-generated work. It encompasses a wide range of applications, from text generation to image synthesis and even music composition. After mastering generative AI, individuals can pursue exciting job roles in fields such as artificial intelligence research, data science, and creative industries. The ever-expanding applications of generative AI promise a bright future for those who master this technology, offering opportunities to shape how we interact and create content in the digital age. Some of the top job roles include researcher, where you can delve deep into the development of advanced generative models; data scientist, using generative AI to extract valuable insights from data; content creator, harnessing generative AI for innovative storytelling; AI ethics consultant, addressing the ethical implications of AI-generated content. 2. Computing power. Computing power has already established its place in the digital era, with almost every device and appliance being computerized. And it's here for even more, as data science experts have predicted that the computing infrastructure we are building right now will only evolve for the better in the coming years. At the same time, we have 5 grams already. Gear up for an era of 6 grams with more power in our hands and devices surrounding us. Even better, computing power is generating more tech jobs in the industry, but would require specialized qualifications for candidates to acquire. From data science to robotics and IT management, this field will power the largest percentage of employment in every country. The more computing our devices will need, the more technicians, IT teams, relationship managers, and the customer care economy will flourish. One essential branch under this field that you can learn today is RPA, robotic process automation. Here are the top jobs you can target after RPA. Data scientist, AI engineer, robotics researcher, AI architect, robotics designer. 3. Smarter devices. Artificial intelligence has played an essential role in making our world smarter and smoother. It is not just simulating humans, but going the extra mile to make our lives hassle-free and simpler. These smarter devices are here to stay in 2024 and even further, as data scientists are working on AI home robots, appliances, work devices, wearables, and so much more. Almost every job needs smart software applications to make our work life more manageable. Smarter devices are another addition to the IT industry that is of high requirement and demand as more companies transform into digital spaces. Almost every high-level job requires good IT and automation proficiency to thrive. Here are the best jobs you can venture into. IT manager, data scientists, product testers, product managers, automation engineers, IT researchers. 4. Datafication. Datafication is simply transforming everything in our lives into devices or software powered by data. So, in short, datafication is the modification of human chores and tasks into data-driven technology. From our smartphones, industrial machines, and office applications to AI-powered appliances, and everything else, data is here to stay for longer than we can ever remember. So, to keep our data stored correctly and securely and safely, it has become an in-demand specialization in our economy. Datafication leads to a higher need for IT professionals, data scientists, engineers, technicians, managers, and so much more. Even more useful is that anyone with a sound knowledge of technology can do a certification in data-related specializations to find a job in this space. Data jobs are more about skills than big-level qualifications. Let's look at some popular data careers: big data engineers, robotics engineers, IT architect, business intelligence analyst, data scientists. 5. Artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already received a lot of buzz in the past decade. Still, it continues to be one of the new technology trends because of its notable effects on how we live, work and play are only in the early stages, AI is already known for its superiority in image and speech recognition. Navigation apps, smartphone personal assistants, ride-sharing apps, and so much more. Other than that, AI will be used further to analyze interactions to determine underlying connections and insights, to help predict demand for services like hospitals, enabling authorities to make better decisions about resource utilization, and to detect the changing patterns of customer behavior by analyzing data in near real time, driving revenues and enhancing personalized experiences. With AI spreading its wings across sectors, new jobs will be created in development, programming, testing, support, and maintenance, to name a few. On the other hand, AI also offers some of the highest salaries today. Machine learning, the subset of AI, is also being deployed in all kinds of industries, creating a huge demand for skilled professionals. Forrester predicts AI, machine learning, and automation will create 9% of new U by 2025. Jobs including robot monitoring professionals, data scientists, automation specialists, and content curators, making it another new technology trend you must keep in mind too. Mastering AI and machine learning will help you secure jobs like research scientist, AI engineer, machine learning engineer, AI architect.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.